Your eye looks much better, Arthur. How's your mother's jaw?
Better.
And your father?
No one's seen him.
And no one will. That worked out rather nicely.
Will Lord Varys ever come back?
I don't think so. You miss him?
He was nice.
He called us his little birds. He gave us sweets.
It's funny you should mention that. Guess what I happened to find today? Candied plums and all. Now remember, if any of your friends like sweets or need help, they can always come to me. All I need in return are whispers. No need to be afraid. This is Sir Gregor. He's friends with all my friends. Run along.